Hello students, I myself Mr. Dinesh Singh and I am going to start geometry of standard 9th. In the video, the contents which is written on the blackboard, I am going to explain about them. First, it is lines and angles chapter. Angle. First point is point. The meaning of point is in Hindi is bindu, and the definition about point is a small dot made by pen or pencil on any plain paper, and the main thing about this point is it has no length, no breadth and no height. Point is only dot which is made by a pen or a pencil on a plain sheet of paper. This is the point. It has no length, no width and no height. Point which I have written on the blackboard. There are two types of points. First is collinear point. Collinear point. If 3 points lie on the same plane, same line, then those points are called collinear point. And next is non-collinear. कोलिनियर पॉइंट को हम संरेख बिंदु भी कहते हैं, नॉन कोलिनियर को असंरेख बिंदु कहते हैं. इट मीन्स इफ 3 points do not lie on the same line, then they are called non-collinear. पॉइंट का डेफिनेशन, पॉइंट के दो प्रकार, कोलिनियर और नॉन कोलिनियर, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन हमने बता दिया है. पॉइंट जो बिंदु है जिसका हिंदी, यह एकमात्र डॉट होता है, तो पेन या पेंसिल से हम पेपर पर या किसी प्लेन सरफेस पे जो डॉट होता है उसे ही कहते हैं पॉइंट। कोलिनियर पॉइंट और नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट दो इसके टाइप्स हैं। कोलिनियर पॉइंट जो तीन बिंदुएं अगर एक ही रेखा पर हो, सपोज दिस इज ए, बी एंड सी, they stand on the same line, so these 3 points, they are collinear. But if these 3 lines do not lie on the same line, suppose this A, B and C, they do not lie on the same line, on the straight line, so these points are called non-collinear. और जब हम लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स पढ़ रहे हैं, ट्राइंगल जब भी बनेगा तो यही नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट से ही बनेगा, कोलिनियर पॉइंट का उपयोग उसमें नहीं होता है। Next, lines. Lines. Just before this, I have taught you about point. I have told everything about the point. So, the definition of line is the collection of points. Collection of points is called line. A small dot, these are the points, and when they are collected, this makes a line. Line यानी रेखा बिंदुओं के कलेक्शन से बनता है। कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड लाइन। एंड पहले भी बिगिनिंग स्टेज में जस्ट वी हैव थॉट अबाउट द लाइन। फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन, सेकंड इज कर्व लाइन। बट अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टैंडर्ड द लाइन intersecting line, which we have to read in a standard 9. Intersecting line, intersecting line, when two lines intersect, one minute. First is intersecting lines. When two lines each other, then they are called intersecting line. The meeting point of two intersecting lines, the meeting point two lines are called point of intersection. And next, concurrent line. These are the two lines. First, intersecting line. Second, concurrent line. Second is concurrent line. In intersecting line, only two lines take part, but in concurrent line, three or more than three lines. Three lines when intersect each other, then they are called concurrent line. In intersecting line, AB and CD are two lines. They intersect each other at O. Then O is called intersecting point. O